About a year and a half ago, I decided I needed to make a change, and I was looking at maybe updating my traditional heating system, but then I heard about high-efficiency heat pump water heaters and decided that would be a better choice for me. I have reliable hot water now, and I have savings every year.
Hybrid heat pump water heaters are a new, highly efficient way to heat water. They typically cost half as much to operate as traditional electric resistance water heaters and can save a homeowner as much as $2,500 over the life of the unit. Thousands of Maine homeowners are now purchasing heat pump water heaters, and their satisfaction with this new technology is very high.